been a while, but it's finally time for yet another test of the Jackson and ManCave fire alarm system. And as you can see, the notifier BNG1R pulse station has been replaced by my FCI MS2 that I got from Doverducy not too long ago. And Doverducy has also been a major donor, as well as YouTube user Dieselducy. As you can see here, he donated that Otis panel. Came out of one of the Norfolk Southern buildings. Ding. Stop. And of course this cool button from Denmark. Anyway, now to get along with the test, first we're going to pull the MS2. You just get up here. Now we'll go test the 270 SPO, which replaced the BG10. And to reset it, you just put the screwdriver here. And quickly we'll test my 1962 Gamewell Century pulse station that I got from Doverducy. I've had it for a while. And that's pretty much it. And here's the American flag. Alright.